All right, guys, so here we are today for our first impression unboxing of our July company. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. And if you're a diehard Bearded Outdoorsman fan, you will realize that we are not in the right place. We are in the wrong setting altogether. So I'm at a hotel for work, but videos have to get done and have to get made. So you know what? This is the second time in 5 years that I've had to do a video in a hotel room. You know what? Here it is. Let's go. So our July company, you saw it in the title, is Weatherbeard. Now, I've never used Weatherbeard. I've heard of them. They've been around. I've got my notes over here. They've been around since 2015, and they're based out of Tennessee. So in this first video, we talk about a couple things. Number one, we're going to bust into this and talk about what the scent smells like. We're gonna give our first impressions with the labels, with the bottles, with the scents, all of that. As you can see, we haven't opened this yet, so we're gonna do that. Shipping, that's the other thing we're gonna talk about. I ordered this package on June 20th, in the late night hours of June 20th. It arrived on June 24th, so super fast shipping. I mean, you're talking less than 4 days, it arrived at my house. So there's that. So shipping is really good. They have free shipping if you spend $75. My order cost me about $5 to ship, a little less than $5 to ship, and I got an oil and a butter. Now, I didn't go back and look and see what scent I picked because I want to be surprised because I cannot remember what scent I picked, but they have a good many to choose from, and I got an oil and a butter. They were $19.99 each, so my total was right around 45 bucks. Give or take a little bit. So yeah, let's dive in. So we're gonna use the Victorinox Swiss Army Bantam. It's one blade and a bottle opener. Really awesome little knife. So let's just go inside. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. All right, so just off the rip, we have bubble wrap on the inside. Let's pull this out. Again, if you're unfamiliar with how I'm doing reviews for 2023, these companies do not know I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. They only know that I'm ordering just a consumer ordering products. So I go on, I pick my own company, I pick the product that I want to use for the month, and I make the purchase. So I use these products for the entire month. So this month will be for the month of July. And at the end of July, I will give you a full-blown review of not only the products, but of the company. So things that I see as a consumer that they could improve on, that kind of thing. So we got our bubble wrap. It's a little bag here. So let's pull out all this little paperwork first. So we have a thank you card. Let's see, we include 3 special business cards in your order. Each card has a one-time only 50% discount code and a QR code that will take you straight to the website from your phone. Feel free to use the one-time only discount code on your next order if you haven't already. We would greatly appreciate if you could pass the cards out to family, friends, and coworkers so they can take advantage of the deal and check out our business. So there's that. So we got that, and then our 3 business cards. These look really, really cool. So we got our business card on the front and the QR code on the back. It says follow us online, Facebook, Instagram. Scan the QR code, visit our website, and get 50% off your order. So there's that. So the business cards, really professional, adventure-inspired men's grooming, beard care, cologne, and soap, weatherbeard.com. So I'll have a link to them in the description below. Again, I'm just a consumer. I have no affiliate, no anything like that with them. So we have a yellow card here that says, if your beard butter arrives partially melted, gritty, or completely melted, follow these steps, and it tells you what to do to fix the grittiness. So let's pull our, so we have that one. Now when this came in the mail the other day, and I wasn't able to do my video, I threw it in the fridge for a little while, so we'll see how it turns out. So first one we have, and the scent I got was Rustic Ridge. So really clean. I like the way these look. Really clean labels. Ingredients on the oil: abscisian, I know I'm gonna butcher it, oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, sunflower oil, fractionated coconut oil, meadow foam seed oil, shea nut oil, castor oil, and fragrance. Let's give it a shake. I saw the scent profiles on the bottle, but I'm not looking at it. I kind of glanced over it. So let's see. Ooh, that smells amazing. Oh man. Bourbon, and there's something else. It's got a little bit of a sweet hint to it. Oak, bourbon, and hickory. So really, really awesome scent. That smells really good. So our beard butter comes in glass jar right here, 2 ounce. So we got shea butter, abscisian oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, sunflower oil, fractionated coconut oil, meadow foam seed oil, shea nut oil, castor oil, and fragrance. So a lot of the same, carriers as in the oil. So we've got our sticker on top. It's perfect. Oh my God. It smells like, so the oil had a little bit of a sweeter hint. The butter has almost an old school, I want to say like an old school cologne or an aftershave. It's awesome. That smells really, really good. So yes, Rustic Ridge from Weatherbeard. So we're gonna be checking this out for the entire month of July. So do not fret, get over, check them out. If you don't wanna make a purchase yet and you wanna hear my full review of the products, then hang around until the end of July, at which point I will do a full-blown review, not only of these products, but of the company as well. Give you my thoughts on how things work, what everything does, and how it looks. I'll give you my full-blown review. So if you're interested in that, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to come watch more videos. You got to do that. So at the end of this video, there will be 2 videos in the end cards and the end screen. So click one of those, check it out, see if you enjoy any more content. And but don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you're notified when new videos drop. And that's all I've got today. Hopefully this is my only video from a hotel room, and we'll be back in a hammock tomorrow. Yeah. So there you go. So until next time, stay bearded. Get outdoors. We will, I promise, like tomorrow. And God bless.